Hey guys, welcome back to Gratuitous Sets Laboratories, and we've got a thing.
Oh, I'm late.
Turn your keys off! We're calling this a secure portable containment unit. It's a tough case, so it can be used in any sort of sci-fi tech environment, anything that sort of works that way thematically. It could be, you know, a spy type of game or anything like that. And these are the individual keys. It does a little read sequence, pops the case.
And if you got the wrong key,
if you notice, this key turned white at the end of its read sequence. That is a white key. Blue key.
but wrong. Purple?
Green. There's a 3,000 milliamp hour battery inside. The whole thing is self-contained, and there's a charging port in the back.
Basically means it lasts for 2 days solidly without a charge.
It's done 3.5.
Okay.
It did 3.5 in testing, so let's say 2. That way you know you're safe. And then you just leave it plugged in overnight, and you're good. So it comes with a charger, and these are, we can give you keys, including bad keys, keys that don't go to anything, or you can buy more than one and nest them or do whatever you want. If you want to buy one of these guys, and you act now,
Well, supplies last. They're all custom made, so supplies last.
you can send us the object that you want to lock inside. And just like what we've done here, there's a machined insert. It's got a little finger grab right here, so that you can get your hand under this card. And then here's just as a sample, this is a slot for another key. So if you send us your object, and or if you want to nest another key inside one of these boxes, then you send us your object and we'll make a model of what that cut path should be and machine you a beautiful custom insert, which just makes it look that much cooler. But Matt, what if you lock the key inside the box? It's a mechanical lock. And so it's not a mag lock where it'll just give up over time.
I guess you're boned then. Oh, wait! You used the emergency override feature, cleverly built into it.
And now you know how to cheat.
So if a player does manage to lock the keys in here or whatever, or otherwise can't open it, it does have the emergency release. So on the charging port, if you jump the center pin in the charger to that washer, it opens up.
This is a mechanical latch. So to close it, that's it. Mechanically locked and secure and portable and containerish.
And rugged.
We can build this system into any of the available tough boxes that we can get. If this seems like something that's going to work for you, give us a call, and we can talk about how to customize this little bad boy for you. It's available now, and that's why we're making this video.
As of now.
Wait.
That was it. Now. It was the previous now. Don't. No, it was.
Can't have it.
I designed it. Why can't I?